Hey everybody, it's Storm Chaser Gavin. Look, I'm standing in Highland. Hey everybody, it's Storm Chaser Gavin. I'm standing at the end of my driveway in Highland County, Ohio right now, looking due northwest. I got a storm coming in. I just had a flash of lightning when I first started recording and I messed it up. I got a storm developing northwest. There's already lightning with it. There's some right there you just saw. There's also two severe warned supercells, rotating supercells. Just one's northwest of Cincinnati. They're both northwest of Cincinnati. One's closer, heading towards Cincinnati, and the other one is heading towards like Butler County, which is a county north between Cincinnati and Dayton Metro. Those are both tornado warned. So guys, if you live in Highland County, not Highland County, sorry. If you live in the Cincinnati Dayton Metro, you need to keep an eye on the weather and get ready to take shelter immediately if you have to. They're severe warned for radar indicated rotation, and they are showing very, very strong signs of indications of a tornado right now. Very strong rotation with those. They're moving due southeast around 15 miles an hour. Not very quick, but if you live in Highland County, you need to be, I keep saying Highland County because that's where I'm at. If you live in, Franklin County, Indiana, I believe. Butler County, Ohio, Hamilton County, Ohio, Cincinnati Metro, Dayton Metro. You need to be taking shelter now. If you're anywhere traveling along 71 corridor, there's some lightning, I think. You need to be taking shelter. You need to get off the high interstate, get somewhere with shelter, get indoors. The storm looks like it could be starting to approach closer. I want to turn you around all here. I want to turn you guys all around. And you facing towards this. I am looking due northwest behind me. I think the it's a developing thunderstorm, so there's not anywhere really for me to really. Yeah, I see that back. I put it in motion. I think it's moving southeast. I'll have to look at that again. Yeah. Sorry guys, I'm back. I'm back. I'm making a post on I'm making some stuff posting some stuff on social media, try to warn some people. This isn't severe warned. Not strong, it's still developing. I haven't even got a special weather statement for it yet, but there's still lightning with this. I'm waiting to see if the storms approach my area, because I'm about an hour east of Cincinnati. And one of those, if it keeps up, it could in my area. So I'm watching those very closely. I'll keep you all updated on that too. And it's supposed to be a mesoconvective system or a squall line that approaches tonight. Sorry about the car going back that way. So I'm planning on trying to stay up, at least try to get that. It's like 3 a.m. in the morning. So I might have to try to go to sleep and then I wake up around that time to get some sleep. We're supposed to have more days of severe weather throughout the week. More mesoconvective system or squall lines with I wouldn't rule out a derecho event with this week, so well, of course I start recording and it's not making more lightning, just my luck. lightning or picking up some lightning right there. I could be wrong. Right next to the power line again. Guys, I may end this here. I'm hearing thunder still. I think I just heard some just now. Very quiet though, so I don't know if the camera picked that up. But not a whole lot of lightning. Definitely see some clouds here. Kind of looks like you would see if a thunderstorm. I mean, the thunderstorm's to the northwest. I mean, it's more of a northerly direction over here. I may just wait, guys. I may add another post more of the segment, or I might just post a new video and make an ending to this. The lighting I was seeing was when I was recording the first time. And then while I was trying to make that post on social media, there were some, so if I don't add more to this, I'll make an ending of this, and then if anything else tonight, I will either do that in another video or I'll add it to this, depending on how it happens when I do editing and when I start reporting more of it. Yes, I do. So I love you all, and like I said, I won't leave you hanging. I'll get something out. I got some more videos too I'm working on. Trying to get those posted. I gotta edit those still too. And one of them I'm working on. I said like one I got already edited. I just haven't uploaded yet. A couple other ones, 2 or 3 other ones I'm working on. So I can't make these videos too long editing on my phone. So it'd be easier just to do live streams, honestly, and talk to you guys. But to do that, I can't look at the radar. I mean, I could. Ooh, I got that on camera. That's what I was looking for, guys. That's what I was looking for. Woo! That's what I was standing down here for, guys. I think the camera picked that up. I definitely saw that with my own eyes. I think the camera got that. This is what you get when you get, I don't know how much Cape's in the atmosphere. I haven't looked. I haven't looked since earlier. And earlier I looked and it was 25 to 3,000 Cape, and that's what you get when you get that kind of intensity right there, guys. What you get when you get 2,500 to 3,000 plus Cape. Good thing I didn't quit recording. This is supposed to be a Supercell event right now, what we're getting right now. But I think the next other day is supposed to be squall line events. Storm chasing is very, very extremely dangerous, guys. But if you love weather, it definitely pays off. You know, and we you know, if you think we just storm chase, like we don't, a big part of our jobs too. I don't do a storm chasing as a career, but you know what I mean. Big part of, you know, what we do, you know, you go out and, you know, we usually, after a tornado or something hits, you know, we're usually the first ones on, you know, we're already there chasing, so we're usually on the first ones on the scene that help to, you know, look for people, help with damage, help, you know, stop, you know, help, you know, like I have lights on my vehicle. I don't even know what that word said. I don't know if I have to look at that. Have to stop recording so I can look at that. I didn't see quick enough when it popped up. You know, I have lights on my vehicle like you've seen, you know, so I can be storm chasing, so people know I'm a storm chaser. And, you know, so, you know, I'm trying to do, you know, help with people, you know, after maybe see that I'm a storm chaser. I want to get off here and read that real quick, see what that was, and then I will be right back on. Yeah, okay guys. Yeah, I'm back. That was lightning detecting, you know, I have no location, anything I thought it was, which is obvious. I want to tell you guys, that lightning strike, I kind of felt that too. I mean, that was right over here. That was maybe 400 or 500 yards away. Maybe 600, I'd say at the most. And I kind of felt that one, guys. There's some more lightning. I kind of felt like a concussion in my chest. The reason you know, they say to meteorologists and storm chasers, you know, say to, you see lightning, to, you know, you see a post when a thunderstorm, you know, take shelter. If you hear thunder, see lightning, because lightning, sorry, cars going by. Lightning can strike up to like 30 miles away from a thunderstorm. Some people say 10, but I've actually seen where it said like 30. I seen with one of the meteorologists I was watching one time I was watching stuff on lightning, researching weather, and he said like lightning can strike up to like 30 miles away from a thunderstorm. That lightning strike conjoined with that. Guys, there's another one. That, you know, this right here, guys, this indicates, you know, a violent thunderstorm. All night long, baby, all night long. This is dangerous, guys. I'm out here, you know, risking, you know, a lot here in my life. So please subscribe, guys. Please subscribe. I love you guys, and I chase for you guys, and I do it, but I enjoy it too. But, you know, guys, this is dangerous, so please subscribe and, no, leave a like. Come on. What's this? Light rain. More lightning. Light rain started. Oh, lightning getting more rain. Right, I'm almost like right under the power line. That's dumb place to be standing. More lightning. It's over here too. So the storms over this direction. I think it's coming this way though. It's either going east or southeast. Got that lightning strike. Lightning strike can go into that angle power line. They're alright. That car I was driving really slow. I don't know what that was about. They're alright. To the west. White Taurus right here. Right here is mine. Guys, want this segment here? I'll be back. Guys, I'm back. Oh, yeah, that's getting close. Another tornado warning in Indiana now. Maybe if I'm lucky, I'll get one. There's a lightning bolt. I did look, guys. We're around 2,500 to 3,000 cape right here. I did look. This is what you get when you get cape values this high. I mean, 2,500 to 3,000 cape, that's considered like intense strong cape. There's an instability. If you guys think they have the lighting like you've seen some of my videos with 3,000 cape, you know, take a look at what 4,000 to plus cape does. Take a look at what 6,000 cape does. When you have those with 6,000 cape, this lightning flashes, bolts, and strikes would be pretty much constant. Now you know around another. We are here now. I hope I get to experience cape like, instability and in that sphere at some point in my life. seen videos of them, that's how I know what that's like. But I hope I get to experience sometime that at some point in my career chasing career, whatever you want to call it. It'd be nice to be able to make a career out of it someday. Well, too far, zoom too far out. There we go. I don't know by any means a professional, guys, but by no means a professional, but I do know a lot about weather. There's one. Man, this thing's angry. Can't tell that. It might have been a flap. Might have been. Look, like it might have been a bolt behind the tree. I couldn't tell there. Definitely a lightning flash, though. Starting to rain lately. This is only under a marginal risk, guys. To see how weather we're having this event. What they say about July when it comes to weather, especially in Ohio Valley, Great Lakes region. July has kind of some of the most low risk days for severe weather coming out. Some of the best storms of the year. Like a fellow storm chaser said one time. I guess I want to end this segment here. Starting to record long minutes, I'm pushing the time on these videos. As it gets more active here, with lightning stuff again, I'll come back on. If not, I'll try to get that MTS tonight, or in the early morning, I mean. But this isn't doing much right now. About that, guys. My alarm went off on my phone and it cut the video off. There's some lightning. See if I can get a thumbnail here. Wait a few minutes, see if I can get a thumbnail. Maybe if I bolt. Be a pretty cool thumbnail. I gotta go take my medication. That's what that was the alarm was working. It was a flash, but it wasn't a bolt. Yeah. Okay, I'm coming. In Indiana?
Well, that expired.
Right, but I just saw one that said there's one
In Union and Butler County, around Hamilton. Anyway, he's got it out. He's got it on there.
Okay, I'm coming in a second. I'm trying to get a thumbnail here with a bolt of lightning in it. I'll be in a minute. So I guess there's a tornado warning in Cincinnati. I think that's what she just said anyway. This is my hometown. Start praying for the people there. I saw that storm headed towards Cincinnati. If you guys are watching to watch this, you'll probably see that. If my family's watching from Cincinnati, if you guys are, any family, anybody in Cincinnati right now needs to be taking shelter. If that is what my grandma just said. I don't think I want to catch one of these. It's on at the moment. We'll end this segment here. I want to go see what's going on with the weather. Depending on what direction that Supercell is moving, or Butler County, so it's probably coming my way. Maybe I will get a tornado for you guys tonight. But I'll either make another segment. There was a lightning bolt, probably, I think, and I missed it. That was though. I got the camera, selfie point, so I can just, when I edit, I can just crop that into if that was. But if that's coming this way and it's moving, I probably will get it. So maybe I will get it right on camera for you guys tonight. If not, I tried. And I'll make an ending segment to this or something, depending on what goes on. I love y'all. Be safe out there. Hey guys, sorry it's dark. This is Storm Chaser Gavin here. I'm looking behind me, due east. I have a violent supercell moving through northeastern Highland County right now. I've seen multiple CGs with this before I started recording. Violent supercell, developing supercell, heading around Greenfield area. I believe headed northeast. I'm sorry guys, you can't see anything. The other one, I might have been a lightning strike. But I'm sorry, I thought there'd be a little more lights than there is. But I want to turn you guys around here. I'm looking due east. All you're going to see in this is the lightning because it's dark around me. I didn't realize when I get out, I didn't want to run back in again, but I don't want to miss anything else that happens. The storm's moving off to the east, so it's going to be There we go. There I go. That was even picking it up. I don't want to miss anything else that happens. Oh, there's another lightning strike. That's another CG right over there. Got this all, like I said before, we got all this on a marginal risk of severe weather, which is level 1 out of 5. This shows you know that you, just because it's marginal, guys, risk level 1 out of 5 out of risk doesn't mean it can't happen. You can still get, this right here proves, that you can still get deadly supercells, on a marginal risk. And a lot of people think, it's a marginal risk, that's going to happen, guys. Don't do that, guys. That's when you get yourselves killed. If you see any severe weather risk that's, put out by the Storm Prediction Center and the National Weather Service, pay attention. There's a funnel cloud storm that went through Cincinnati earlier. Or not Cincinnati, but Butler County, county north of Cincinnati. Cincinnati is the county seat of Hamilton County. Hamilton is the county seat of Butler County. Kind of weird, guys, how that works, I think. There's another seat. Ooh, I got that one. That was a strike. That was a emerald color lightning conjoined with a CG or a lightning strike. But there was, and they have that confirmed, you know, someone else observed tornadoes. Some, either a law enforcement officer, or storm spotter meteorologist, someone confirmed that. Guys, I'm keeping going here. I want to have to, you know, stop this video at some point. Heck, this may even be a separate video. I may try to see if I can get a thumbnail too, but I'd like to get a thumbnail with a lightning strike in it. Bolt, and how this thing must be strengthening because there's a lot more lightning with it now. I mean, it's been a lot of lightning with it, but it's getting more active, more intense of lightning, more strikes. And the more lightning a thunderstorm has in it, the healthier it is. And actually, the healthier it is, the more likely chance you have to have a tornado. I was wondering this segment here. I might come back on another part. I don't know if you want to try to stay to squall line or not. That's supposed to like hit 3 a.m. guys. That's going to be, I don't get any sleep if I do that. There's supposed to be more squall lines. Most severe weather events that are coming up are supposed to be squall line, not super. So I'll probably get a squall line for you guys. Maybe, hopefully a derecho maybe. Derechos, tornadoes tend to hang around with derechos too, so I may even get a tornado out of that. If I don't get a tornado, I'll have something tonight. But guys, I think I'm going to call it a night soon. I'm going to have to take my shower in the morning, so I'm not doing anything tonight. It's too late. I'm going to go put some pajamas on, watch an episode of something, maybe listen to other music, and then I'm going to bed. So, luckily, no, I have not much going on tomorrow. I was working tomorrow, so I was able to stay up and get this for y'all. This specific video right here might be, like I said, a separate video, just because on my phone right now, and I did figure out what's wrong with my editing software. Figured that out not too long ago. It's not Apple compatible. So like when I record stuff on my phone, when I try to edit, transfer stuff. When I try to, so I have an iPhone. So when I try to transfer over to the editing software I have, it's not compatible, so it doesn't transfer. Sounds like a plane. I need one thing. That's either a plane or a tornado. Tornadoes kind of say they sound like a freight train, which they. Oh, there's lightning strike. But they kind of sound like a jet too. Okay, guys, this slide is getting more activity, so I want to try to catch a. Actually, no, I may not even catch a thumbnail over this because you'll be able to see the lightning, but you won't even be able to hear the bolt. So yeah, I want to go end this here. I'm at 17 minutes. I'm already at, so I'm going to definitely have to make this into a separate video. Sorry it was at night. I mean, I got the camera zoomed in enough that it is picking up the scenery. This was more lightning than it was anything. Most of the storm was more lightning than anything. It was dark, so you couldn't really see the storm clouds. I mean, I got some of the storms, clouds being in this. So this is more, this is still a supercell. These are extremely powerful supercells, guys, that I've been having tonight. I wouldn't say extremely, but they are, well, yeah, I would say, minimum extreme. Because for like, there's another one. Like I said, guys, Yeah, when you get 2,500 to 3,000 plus cape like we have tonight, this is kind of intensity you get with Supercells. Definitely, get willing to get a good structure. Definitely got a lot of lightning for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this. I love you all. Subscribe, please. Helps my channel out. Making sure to subscribe, please. Helps my channel out a lot. It helps me out a lot. You know, leave a thumbs up. That helps my channel out a lot too. Helps me out a lot. Let's see, guys. Let's see if we can get this to, let's say 30 likes. Let's see if we can get this video to 30 likes. Like I said before, watch out for a live stream. I'll keep an eye on the weather, and if something big supposed to happen during the day, I might try to go live for you guys. I really want to talk to you guys. I mean, I'll talk to you through comments. I got that one comment. Heck, I still haven't replied to. I keep seeing it there on the video, and I'm like, I need to reply to that, and I haven't yet. So whoever commented that, I'll get to it. I'll get to you eventually, guys. I'll get to you eventually. I'll try. I think another light. Oh, wow, there's another lightning bolt. I'm gonna color lightning. I'll try to get to that tomorrow if I remember. Definitely, even if I don't do a live stream, definitely look out for more videos. It's supposed to be margin risk once they upgrade them. So margin risk, you get stuff like this. Like I said, you can pay attention, but margin risk stuff happen like this on margin risk days. But then again, you know, margin risk went out 5, so you may get nothing. So basically, when you get a margin risk of your weather, you know, it's hit or miss. Either you get it or you don't. Marginal, when the risky marginal on the way it works, it means isolated. You know, so you get hit or miss. Once I start storm chasing, I'll be going to the storms, obviously, so I don't have to worry. You know, if there's a storm and it's close by, I'll be able to, you know, get myself to it, actually chase it, stay on as long as I want, purpose of chasing, which I want to do for you guys. I want to do it, but I've, you know, extremely passionate for weather. I have been since I was old enough to understand it. So I'm at 20 minutes now. So I love you all. I hope you enjoyed. Give it a thumb. Make sure to leave a thumbs up. Like the video. Subscribe to my channel, please. Leave your comments down below. I try to get all my comments. Some of the old videos, when you guys comment on them, I don't see them. And then, like I said, some of them I just don't get to real quick. I'll try to look at that comment tomorrow for whoever did that on one of my last videos, and I'll try to get to you if I haven't already. Yeah, I love you all. I hope you enjoyed all this lightning. That was the biggest part of this, was the lightning. Unfortunately, I didn't get a tornado tonight, but there's not supposed to be a tornado risk on these other events, at least not yet. They haven't done anything yet. Not that I know of anyway. I looked earlier and they haven't, so unless they upgrade the risk or upgrade stuff like that, then we might. But if we get a derecho, we probably get tornadoes with that usually. Like I said, derechos hang around, tornadoes hang around derechos. Yeah, so I love you all. Be safe out there, as always. Keep your eyes up when it comes to weather, and I'll see you all next time. Look out for that live stream. If I plan on doing a live stream, I'll try to, you know, schedule that so you guys know that's coming up, so you guys can see it if I'm doing a live stream. And I'll see you all in the next video. Love you all. Ooh, big lightning bolt, didn't it?